Students, in this lesson of programming we using C, we will learn about arrays. Definition of array. An array is defined as a collection of similar type of data items stored at contiguous memory locations. Arrays are the derived data type in C programming language, which can store the primitive type of data such as int, char, double, float, etc. Some texts refer to one-dimensional arrays as vectors, two-dimensional arrays as matrices, and use the general term arrays when the number of dimensions is unspecified and unimportant. It also has a capability to store the collection of derived data types, such as pointers, structure, etc. The array in the simplest data structure where each data element can be randomly accessed by using its index number. Declaration of arrays. We know that all the variables are declared before they are used in the program. Similarly, an array must be declared before it is used. To declare an array, we should specify the data type of the array, name of the array, and required size within square brackets. For example, data type array underscore name. In the square brackets, we have written size, where data type can be int, float, double, chr, etc. Array name should be a valid variable name. Size is an integer value. Size should not be a negative value. Assignment of arrays. By writing int n square brackets is equal to curly brackets 2, 4, 8, we are declaring and assigning values to the array at the same time, thus initializing it. But when we declare an array like int n square brackets 3, we need to assign values to it separately because int n square brackets 3 will allocate space of 3 integers in memory location, but there are no integers in that space. To initialize it, assign a value to each element as shown. One-dimensional array. One-dimensional array is an array that has only one subscript specification that is needed to specify a particular element of an array. The one-dimensional array is a structured collection of components that can be accessed individually by specifying the position of a component with a single index value. The syntax is shown on the screen. Two-dimensional arrays. The two-dimensional array can be defined as an array of arrays. The 2D array is organized as matrices, which can be represented as a collection of rows and columns. However, 2D arrays are created to implement a relational database lookalike data structure. It provides ease of holding the bulk of data at once, which can be passed to any number of functions whenever required. The syntax is shown on the screen. So this was it for this lesson. Thank you.